In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Dunk Meter 2K23 on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Dunk Meter is a great way to get some nice finished dunks. So, you will be able to use them by doing certain combinations with your joysticks. In this video, I'm gonna cover some of the combinations and examples that you can do for dunks using the Dunk Meter. So once you use the right analog stick, the dunk meter will appear and you will have to time your dunks. Keep in mind that the time is very strict and you need to do it fast. So some of the dunks that you can pull using the dunk meter in NBA 2K23 on the Nintendo Switch include the flashy dunk, where you drive to the rim, holding turbo, flick the right stick down, and then press and hold it up very fast. You will see the animation play out and the dunk meter will be used. Another example is the rim hand dunk. So drive to the rim holding turbo like always, and then flick the right stick up, then press it up again and hold it there. As long as you did the combination right and hold it there for a few seconds, you will see the animation play out and the dunk will happen using the dunk meter. For the last one, the Euro step dunk, you will be able to drive to the rim with the turbo, flick the right stick to the left, then press and hold it right. If you hold it right, you will see once again the animation play out and the dunk will happen with the dunk meter. Keep in mind that if you hold the right analog stick for too long or if you release it too early, you will miss the dunk even if it's not contested. However, if you practice the perfect timing, you will increase your chances of finishing this dunk and you will see it play out using the dunk meter. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the dunk meter in 2K23 on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.